Class, now come on the circle chapter and let us clear about some of the basic concepts for the circle, in which already you know the line passing through center QR is known as diameter. The line OP is known as radius. So QR is diameter and OP is radius. And AB is chord, this you already know. What the new thing you have is the word tangent. The tangent we have not read in the class 9th or 8th. In the previous classes, we have not learned about the tangent. So this tangent is somehow a new word for you. Class, what is tangent? A line which touches to circle only at one point. वो line जो सर्कल को सिर्फ एक पॉइंट पर टच करे उसको tangent कहते हैं. And here, where the tangent touches to the circle is known as point of contact. So if somebody asks you, what does the P point called? It is point of contact. And there is one property that radius through point of contact is perpendicular on the tangent. कि जो radius tangent पर टच हो रही होती है वो हमेशा perpendicular होती है. That means this angle P will be equal to 90 degree. Well, so let us make it more clear here. This is a circle with center O and AB is tangent. Why it is tangent? Because it is touching to the circle only at one point, and this point P is called as point of contact. And if I just draw OP is what? It is radius. And this angle will always be 90 degree. Which angle? Angle OPA. Clear? One more word you should be clear for: length of tangent. Class, length of tangent means the distance of outside point to the circle where it touches to the circle. Well, AB is not length of the tangents. Point of contact is P, therefore AP is known as length of tangent. Come on the second figure. In the second figure, you have AB is tangent because it is touching to the circle at Q. This AC is tangent because it is touching to the circle at A only at one point. That means this Q is the point of contact and this D is the point of contact. Well, now if I join OQ, this angle Q will be 90 degree, and the reason will be radius is perpendicular on the tangent. Similarly, if I join OA, D, this is a D point. So angle D will also be 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Reason will be radius is perpendicular on the tangent. Radius जो है वो tangent पर हमेशा perpendicular होती है. Again here, the length of tangent. What is length of tangent? It will not be AB. AB length of tangent नहीं होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि point of contact Q है. So AQ will be the length of tangent. Similarly, AD will be the length of tangent. I hope you are clear for it. Come on this figure. This PQ is the tangent and S is the point of contact. So if I join OS, angle S will be 90 degree. And what will be the length of tangent? PS. PQ को नहीं बोलेंगे length of tangent. PS will be the length of tangent. Similarly, PR will be the length of tangent and PA will be the length of tangent. And if I join O with R, this angle will be 90 degree. If I join O with A, this angle will be 90 degree. Why? Because OR is radius and radius is perpendicular on the tangent. OA is radius and radius is perpendicular on the tangent. So hope you are clear for all basic concepts. Let us solve one question. Let us solve first theorem, a very important theorem, and one theorem we will be getting in board exam also. So this is the theorem that proves that length of tangents drawn from outside point are equal. Class, if you see this figure, now you are very clear that PA and PB are length of tangents. And your aim is to prove that this PA and PB are equal. Whenever you get a theorem in exam, it is must to write given, aim, and if there is any construction, and then prove. You will get marks just on writing given, aim, and figure. Now, what you are given, a circle with center O, and PA and PB are tangents, and your aim is to prove that PA is equal to PB. What construction we are doing? We are joining O with A, we are joining O with B, and we are joining O with P. And if we join OA, OB and OP, we get a triangle OAP and OBP. So in the proof, in triangle OAP and in triangle OBP, see carefully. The length OA and OB are equal. Why it is equal? Because it is radius. किसी भी सर्कल की रेडियस हमेशा इक्वल होती है. So OA will be equal to OB. And angle A and angle B will be equal to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because radius is perpendicular on the tangent. Which line is common? OP is common. So OP is equal to OP. And in class 9th we read that with these conditions the two triangles will be congruent by RHS rule. This angle is 90 degree and this is OP is common. So by RHS rule the two triangles are congruent. Therefore PA is equal to PB by CPCT, hence proved. This is the result which we wanted to prove it. Thank you so much.